Hello all. Today we will see how to find out the duplicate value from Python list. Python list is a Python data types, and also we can say the Python container. Okay. So now I have to initialize the list variable list of one is equal to. We use the opening and closing square bracket to store that element. So in that square bracket is 4 comma 8 comma 6 comma I have taken the 4 two times, right, comma 9. Okay, so here we can see the 4 number is two times in the list, means it is duplicate. So we have to write the code which can find out the 4 is a duplicate inside the list. So okay, for that what I will do, I will use the for loop. For loop will take a list element one by one. So for I in list of one, I use indentation, and inside the for loop I will use a condition, if condition. If I not in, not in, so I need one more list or container to store whatever the element we are accessing from list one, right? So here I will initialize list to, this is the empty list because we have only opening and closing bracket. I have not mentioned any element inside that list 2. Now we are checking the element is present in list 2 or not. So if I not in list 2, then what we are, if this condition is satisfied, so we will do list 2 dot paint I. So okay, so it insert that element to the list 2. If this condition is not satisfied, then else print of I. Now I will execute this program. I got a value 4, means our program currently correctly identify the 4 is a duplicate value. So now we will again understand this code, how it going to work, right? So here I have the list one, right? This is the for loop. In for loop, I'm accessing the element one by one. So in first time, it will access the 4, right? The value of the I will be 4. Then our pointer will move to inside the for loop. In for loop, it will check the if condition. If condition is that if I is what, 4, 4 not in list 2, 4 not in list 2. Now we have list 2 as a empty. So the condition is satisfied, it will move into the if condition, and what it will do, it will append that value. What is the I is the 4. It append that 4 into the list 2, right? Again pointer move to the for loop. In for loop, the second element move, assigned to the I. Now what is the second element is 8, right? So it move into the inside the for loop. If I not in list 2, I means 8, 8 is not in a list 2. In list 2 we have only a 4 number, right? The condition is satisfied, it will append the 8. Again pointer move into the for loop here. Now the value of the I, value of the I is, next number is 6, number is 6. Okay, I will copy this list and paste instead of the variable, right? Now it has access to the 6. Now value of the 6 is I is 6. What it will do, it will check it is not in list 2, 6 is not in list 2. It will append the 6 number into list 2. Now the in list 2 4 8 6, right? Again the pointer move to the for loop. It will take a 4, it will take a 4, right? It will check if I not in list 2, 4 not in list 2, I value is 4. So condition is yes. This condition is not satisfied here. It will return the false because 4 is already available in list 2. So our pointer move into the else part and it will print a 4. Right? Again, in pointer move to in a for loop. The for loop it will take a last number 9. Now value of the I is 9. It will check if I not in list 2, 9 is not in list 2, it will append the number 9 into the list 2 and print the output. This is how we got the value 4. Now we find out the duplicate number. Let's take 3 duplicate number. I have 6, 7. I have taken 8 also duplicate, right? Now I will run this program. Okay, this list. Yes, it has given me a correct output. 4, 6, 8 is the duplicate value. Now you have to you want a list which has a unique element. What to do? Just copy that. Use same code, right? Instead of writing this else part, just if condition is there and I'm using a print of I outside the for loop. Okay, list 2. Yes, it has given a unique element 4, 8, 6, 9, 7, 1. Okay guys, please try to find out the different way to find out the duplicate value from Python list. Okay, thanks for watching this video.